rubber stuff peeled off. So to do that, take that brake line off, and I'm going to cut these pans out today. Got the front beam taken off. So we can look at it. That. And where's this phone I always want? That. Some mice must have left in this thing for years. I thought this thing smelled terrible. I'm gonna vacuum that out. Clean this part. But I need to clean a lot more. Can't really see in there. Well, I'll vacuum it out. Broke off these two studs when I put bolts when I took this off. This goes there. You have to get a thread chaser for sure. You had a good home in there. I don't know how far back it goes. There it is so far. It's a lot. Might have to I don't know, go from this end maybe. That would mean I'd have to get that take that coupler off. I'm sure you can push it through the edge if you unbuckle it here and then take out those clips. There's the shift coupler screw is square. Maybe I should do a second bowl. I'll put it in this bowl. These are the screws for this project. I got this loose too. Got that off. That brake pedal was stuck. That was pretty. This is. I think you go like that. You got that off. There's this washer there. Just take off the washer with that. Great. I put that there. I gotta get this to come out. And there's a washer on that side. Stupid phone. It's kind of hard to Okay, so there's this, and there's another plastic piece right down there that fell off. I'll get that, but I should allow this to come out. I actually didn't even have to pull that bolt off. So I'll put that bolt back. Here you can see how dirty it is down there. It's not that bad, I guess. And I can just do this without pulling, cracking it back. Easy. There. Get that out of there. I'm gonna pull that shift linkage out of there. If I can figure out how to reach it. Maybe. Hopefully this isn't a mistake, but I feel like it might be the thing to do. Just so I can now I can actually see in there. And then if I can, there it is. There it is. So just gotta get it. Tilt it up and out. Well, that's what I wanted to do. Oh, now I can clean it up too. Anyways, there's that. I can see. There. Put this in there. Oh yeah. Try to get the other. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, wish I could take that off. The nest. Okay, so it's better. I'm gonna have to still might be a little there, but it's pretty good. I don't think there's any dead mice in there. This is why I wanted to do it that way. Just gotta figure out how to get that vacuum hose up over that part. And this super long screwdriver. Can't even see is the problem. I have to just do that. I think it's just the smell is probably a couple dead mice in there. Yeah, there. That's a big nest. It's a lot better. Okay. That is what I want to get. All that stuff right there. That's where it's all the worst. Get the hose. Okay, got the hose on the pipe. Got it over the hump, so I just need to grab it with something. There we go. There we go. Maybe this will work. That isn't working at all. I can just get to it. Almost. Literally can't believe I can't get a good enough grip. Get over here. There. There. Okay, so that's after it's clean. There's maybe a little fluff, but it's a lot better. And that. Anyways. Can't see, but does look better. It's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna be perfect. I can't get my phone back out. Okay. Hopefully there's no